Hello, good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you the subject science, and the name of the chapter it is current, electricity and magnetism. So students, in this chapter we are going to exactly study how the current, electricity it is being provided to we people, and how the current it is being flowing in day to day life, and how we are getting the current, electricity in our houses, right? So first of all the question it is being asked, the atom. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element, we can say. So what it is given, an atom has the same number of positively charged proton and negatively charged electron, right? So basically protons are always, we can say, that is a positively charged, and electrons are negatively charged. So an object does not show any charge through its atom of a charged particle, we can say, राइट अब बेसिकली हम देखते हैं कि जब ग्लास रॉड जो रब होता है, अगर उसको सेम चार्ज है तो क्या होगा, रिपल्शन होगा. वेन एवर द ग्लास रॉड इट इज़ बीन रब्ड एंड इट इज़ हैविंग द सेम चार्ज, सो दैट इज वी कैन से रिपल्शन इट विल टेक्स प्लेस. बट इफ द charge it has been oppositely charged, we can say positive and negative charge it is there, so the attraction it is going to take place. So what it is given in the paragraph, moving charges get transferred from one object to another, that is the negatively charged. Moving negatively charged particles are the electrons. That charge may be flow. Can electricity be made flow to water flowing from higher to lower level? Now students, when we see, जब वाटर फ्लो होता है बेसिकली हायर लेवल से लोअर लेवल पे फ्लो होता है. इसी तरह से क्या होता है, जो चार्जेस होते हैं बेसिकली वो कहाँ से फ्लो होता है, पॉजिटिवली टू नेगेटिवली चार्ज इट इज़ बीन flowed. We get current electricity when the electron in an electrical conductor are made to flow. सो करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कब मिलता है हमें, जब चार्जेस आर स्टार्ट्स टू फ्लो, वी कैन से इन अ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव वे. So current electricity, now we are going to see what is exactly current electricity. A large current flows when lightning takes place. Now you have already seen, whenever we are switching on, that time what happens, the current starts to flow with the sensation, and it is filled by microscopically small current flowing to the brain. You are aware that current flowing through the wires, electric bulbs and equipment in the house. Now you already know, you have seen the different types of current it is flowing in the different way, we can say. Even in radios are there, car batteries होते हैं, अलग अलग instruments होते हैं जिसमें current flow होता है, like mobiles are there, we can say television is there, radios are there, then other electrical instruments are there, we can say refrigerators are there. So these are the different types of instruments are there, students. We can see how the current it is being flowing. Now next concept it is being given, electrostatic potential. So what is electrostatic potential? Water और liquid flows from higher to lower level. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले एग्जांपल दिया कि जब वाटर फ्लो होता है तो वो हायर से लोअर लेवल पे होता है. Heat always flow from a body at higher temperature to body at lower temperature. So even you know students, heat is also flowing from higher to lower level. Similarly, the positive charge it flows from electrical level to a point to the electrical lower level. इसी तरह से जो चार्ज होता है, बेसिकली जो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज होता है वो पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव साइड में फ्लो होता है. दिस इलेक्ट्रिकल लेवल डिसाइडिंग द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल, राइट. नाउ व्हाट इज एक्जैक्टली पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या होता है, बेसिकली जो चार्ज फ्लो होता है उसके बीच का जो डिफरेंस होता है, हाउ इट इज़ फ्लोइंग मीन्स पॉजिटिवली टू नेगेटिवली, सो दैट इज नथिंग बट वी कैन से पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. Similarly, what it is given, the height of water of all of the temperature of hot and cold bodies, the difference between the potential of 2 point and potential difference is interesting to us. अभी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे देखो, आपको दो डायग्राम्स दिखाया हुआ है. बेसिकली इन फ्रॉम दिस टू डायग्राम्स वी कम टू अंडरस्टैंड. एक डायग्राम में जो है बल्ब प्रॉपरली ग्लो हो रहा है, और दूसरे डायग्राम जो है इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट की, उसमें बल्ब नहीं ग्लो हो रहा है. सो वाई, बिकॉज व्हाट इज द रीज़न? इट इज़ गिवन, टेक कनेक्टिंग वायर. आपको एक्टिविटी करना है, वायर लेना है, उसको कनेक्ट करना है इन द सर्किट, वी कैन से, राइट. नो करंट इज सीन फ्लो इन द बल्ब इन के फर्स्ट डायग्राम. No current is the same in the 1.5 volt dry cell. Now it will be realized from glowing the bulb that current is flowing through electron in the wire due to potential difference. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि potential difference अगर properly है तो current flow होगा. In same way what happens here also, in the current is not properly supplied in the first diagram. इसीलिए क्या हो रहा है कि इसमें the current it is not flowing in a proper way, we can say, right. But In the second diagram, students, you are able to see there is the current, it is flowing in a proper way. That's why the bulb, it is been flowing. Current starts flowing in the circuit as soon as the potential difference, it is been applied. So in the first diagram, the potential difference, it is not applied. That's why the current, it is not flowing. But in the second diagram, we can say the current, the potential difference, it has been applied. That's why the current, it is flowing in a proper way, we can say. So the second diagram, it is showing us the bulb, it is properly glown. Okay, now next one, electrical cell. Basically, what is a electrical cell, students? You have seen different types of cells are there. We can say battery cell, it is there, dryer cells are there. In the remote, we are using the types of cells. In the mobiles, we can say see the using the cells. So various forms of cells are there. We can say ever ready batteries are there. So every electrical instrument जब हम use करते हैं तो उसमें cell की ज़रूरत होती है, and because of that cell the things are working, otherwise we cannot give the exact result of that. So electrical cell is nothing but a source is required to produce uniform flow of charge. A general device is an electrical cell. Various types of electrical cells are available. See students, if you will go in the market, you will see different types of cells are being available, right? These are used in range of machine, we can say in wrist watches, whatever the watches you are wearing, in that also आपने देखा है जब सेल खत्म हो जाता है तो the clock does not work properly, right? So that time also we need the cells, we can say, right? You must be aware of solar cells. Now you know very well the solar cells, whenever the energy it is being transferred, we can say from the sun rays, it is get absorbed on the solar cells, and from that solar cells we get the energy, and we can cook any type of food or anything on that solar cell with the help of that function. So this was all about, we can say, all the points we have covered up till the electrical cell, we can say, right? So I hope so everyone understood this one. Our next part we are going to see in the next lecture.